Edinburgh Travel Guide 2025. Explore Scotland's capital like a local. Edinburgh, Scotland's captivating capital, is a city where ancient history seamlessly blends with a vibrant modern culture. Nestled amidst dramatic hills and overlooking the Firth of Forth, it is a place of undeniable beauty and profound historical significance. From its iconic castle perched on an extinct volcano to its lively festival scene, Edinburgh offers a rich tapestry of experiences that draw millions of visitors each year. Introduction. The enduring charm of Auld Reekie. Edinburgh, affectionately known as Auld Reekie, Old Smoky, is more than just a capital city. It's a living museum, a cultural hub, and a testament to Scotland's enduring spirit. Its distinctive skyline, dominated by the imposing Edinburgh Castle, hints at centuries of stories, struggles, and triumphs. This city, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, invites exploration of its winding closes, grand avenues, and natural wonders, offering a journey through time and a taste of Scottish identity. Love this? Like to say, keep going. Red heart. Share this message. Let's change lives together. Anti-clockwise arrows. Never miss hope. Subscribe plus ring that bell. Body. Unveiling Edinburgh's layers, a deep dive into history. From ancient fort to modern capital, the history of Edinburgh stretches back millennia, with evidence of human habitation around the castle rock dating back to the Iron Age. The city's strategic location on a volcanic crag made it a natural defensive stronghold. The name, Edinburgh, itself is believed to derive from Din Iden, a hill fort established by the Gododdin tribe before the 7th century AD. During the 7th to 10th centuries, Edinburgh was part of the Anglian Kingdom of Northumbria before becoming a royal residence of Scottish kings. King David I established Edinburgh as a royal borough in the early 12th century, fostering its growth as a trading centre. By the mid-14th century, it was recognised as Scotland's capital, a status it formally held from 1437 when it replaced Scone. The city played a pivotal role in the Wars of Scottish Independence, frequently changing hands between Scottish and English forces. Notable sieges include the Lang Siege in the 16th century and various attempts during the Jacobite risings. Despite these conflicts, Edinburgh flourished, particularly in the 18th century with the development of the New Town, a masterpiece of Georgian architecture that contrasted sharply with the medieval Old Town. The 19th century saw Glasgow surpass Edinburgh in size, but Edinburgh retained its cultural and political prominence. The late 20th century marked a new chapter with the re-establishment of the Scottish Parliament in Edinburgh, solidifying its role as the nation's political heart. Iconic landmarks. Pillars of Edinburgh's identity. Edinburgh Castle. Perched majestically on the volcanic Castle Rock, Edinburgh Castle is arguably Scotland's most iconic landmark. Its origins as a hill fort are ancient, with human occupation dating back at least to the Iron Age. Over its 1,000-year royal history, it has witnessed countless sieges, reputedly more than any other castle in Europe. Within its walls, Scottish monarchs lived and died, including Mary Queen of Scots, who gave birth to James VI, later James I of England. Here. Today, it houses the Scottish National War Memorial, the Honours of Scotland, the oldest crown jewels in Britain, and a fascinating museum detailing its storied past. It remains an active military base and Scotland's leading tourist attraction, welcoming over 1.9 million visitors in 2023. The Royal Mile. Stretching for approximately 1.8 kilometres, slightly over a mile, the Royal Mile is the historic backbone of Edinburgh's Old Town, connecting Edinburgh Castle at its western end to the Palace of Holyrood House at its eastern end. This ancient thoroughfare comprises several distinct sections: Castle Hill, Lawnmarket, High Street, Canongate, and Abbey Strand. For centuries, it has been the vibrant heart of the city, hosting markets, political discussions, and cultural events. Towering tenements define its unique character: narrow closes, alleys, and hidden courtyards, reflecting centuries of urban development and the ingenuity of its inhabitants in adapting to limited space. Despite periods of overcrowding and unsanitary conditions in its past, extensive restorations in the 19th and 20th centuries have preserved its historical charm, making it a bustling hub for tourists and locals alike. Arthur's Seat. Just a short walk from the city centre lies Arthur's Seat, the main peak of the group of hills forming Holyrood Park. This ancient extinct volcano, formed some 350 million years ago, offers unparalleled panoramic views of Edinburgh and beyond from its summit of 251 meters. Beyond its stunning vistas, Arthur's Seat holds immense geological significance. It was here that James Hutton, the father of modern geology, conducted research that helped shape our understanding of Earth's processes. Its rugged landscape also contains remnants of Iron Age hill forts and is steeped in local legends, with some theories even linking it to the mythical Camelot of King Arthur. Palace of Holyrood House. Situated at the foot of the Royal Mile, the Palace of Holyrood House is the King's official residence in Scotland. Originally founded as an Augustinian monastery by King David I in 1128, it evolved into a royal palace. It is most famously associated with Mary, Queen of Scots, who spent much of her tumultuous life here, marrying two of her husbands within its walls. The palace has undergone several transformations, most notably under Charles II in the 17th century. Today, it continues to host state occasions and official entertaining, with the king typically residing there for Holyrood Week in early summer. The historic apartments, including those of Mary, Queen of Scots, and the state apartments, are open to the public year-round, offering a glimpse into centuries of royal history. The Festival City. A calendar of celebration. Edinburgh's reputation as the Festival City is well-deserved, with a year-round calendar of internationally renowned events. The summer months, particularly August, see the city transform into a vibrant, global stage. Edinburgh International Festival, EIF. Established in 1947, the EIF is a premier arts festival showcasing the best in classical music, opera, theatre, and dance from around the world. It aims to provide a platform for artistic excellence and cultural exchange. Edinburgh Festival Fringe. Running concurrently with the EIF, the Fringe is the largest arts festival of its kind globally. It's an open-access festival, meaning anyone can put on a show, leading to an incredibly diverse and often experimental program of comedy, theatre, music, dance, and more, performed in hundreds of venues across the city. Royal Edinburgh Military Tattoo. This spectacular outdoor event takes place on the esplanade of Edinburgh Castle each August. Featuring military bands, massed pipes and drums, and cultural performances from around the world, it is a breathtaking display of music, precision, and pageantry. Edinburgh International Book Festival. Held in August, this is a literary haven for readers and writers, featuring author talks, discussions, and workshops. Edinburgh's Hogmanay. Scotland's New Year celebration, Hogmanay, is epic in Edinburgh. The city hosts a massive street party, a torchlight procession, and a spectacular fireworks display over the castle, drawing tens of thousands of revelers. Other notable festivals throughout the year include the Edinburgh International Film Festival, Edinburgh Jazz and Blues Festival, Edinburgh International Science Festival, and the Scottish International Storytelling Festival, ensuring there's always something happening in Edinburgh. Edinburgh's cultural scene beyond the festivals, its museums, galleries, live music venues, and theatre. The city's culinary landscape, traditional Scottish fare, fine dining, and diverse international options. Edinburgh's neighbourhoods, beyond the old and new towns, exploring areas like Leith, Stockbridge, or Morningside. Its academic excellence, the University of Edinburgh and its role in the city. Green spaces and outdoor activities, beyond Arthur's Seat, exploring its many parks and gardens. Modern Edinburgh, its economy, innovation, and prospects. Expanding on Edinburgh. Beyond the main attractions, Edinburgh's charm extends far beyond its famous castle and historic mile. To truly understand the city, one must delve into its vibrant cultural scene, explore its diverse neighborhoods, and appreciate its significant contributions to academia and innovation. A rich tapestry of culture, museums, galleries, and performing arts, while the festivals bring a temporary burst of artistic energy. Edinburgh's cultural heartbeat resonates year-round through its exceptional museums, world-class art galleries, and thriving performing arts venues. National Museums Scotland. This network includes the magnificent National Museum of Scotland, a treasure trove of Scottish history, natural history, and world cultures. Its diverse collections range from dinosaur skeletons to iconic Scottish inventions and artifacts, offering something for every interest. Other notable sites under this umbrella include the National War Museum and the National Museum of Flight. National Galleries of Scotland. Art lovers will find plenty to explore here. The Scottish National Gallery houses a superb collection of fine art from the Renaissance to the post-Impressionist era, including masterpieces by Scottish and international artists. Just a short walk away, the Scottish National Portrait Gallery showcases the faces of Scotland's history, while the Scottish National Gallery of Modern Art, split into two buildings, Modern 1 and Modern 2, features contemporary and modern art from the early 20th century to the present day, often with thought-provoking outdoor sculptures. Performing arts. Beyond the festival stages, Edinburgh boasts a robust theatre scene. The Playhouse Theatre hosts large-scale musicals and touring productions, while the Festival Theatre is a key venue for opera, ballet, and larger theatrical works. For more intimate or experimental performances, venues like the Traverse Theatre and the Royal Lyceum Theatre are cornerstones of Scottish drama, fostering new talent and innovative productions. The city also has numerous smaller live music venues, from historic pubs hosting folk sessions to dedicated rock and jazz clubs, ensuring a lively soundtrack to its nights. Culinary delights. A taste of Edinburgh. Edinburgh's culinary landscape is as diverse as its history, offering everything from traditional Scottish fare to Michelin-starred dining and a plethora of international cuisines. Traditional Scottish fare. No visit to Edinburgh is complete without sampling classic Scottish dishes. You'll find haggis, often served with neeps and tatties, turnips and potatoes, Scotch pies, and freshly caught seafood, particularly salmon and Cullen skink, a creamy smoked haddock soup, widely available in pubs and traditional restaurants. For a sweet treat, try shortbread or tablet. Fine dining. Edinburgh has a growing reputation for its high-end gastronomy. The city is home to several Michelin-starred restaurants that push the boundaries of modern Scottish cuisine, utilizing the country's rich larder of local produce. Areas like Leith, in particular, have become a hub for innovative and acclaimed eateries. Diverse international scene. Reflecting its cosmopolitan population, Edinburgh offers a vast array of international dining options. From authentic Italian trattorias and vibrant Indian curry houses to trendy Asian fusion spots and bustling Middle Eastern eateries, there's a world of flavors to explore. Café culture and pubs. The city's café culture thrives, with independent coffee shops perfect for a morning brew or a light lunch. And, of course, Edinburgh is famous for its atmospheric pubs, where you can enjoy a pint of local ale, a dram of whiskey, and often live music in a cozy, historic setting. Conclusion. Edinburgh's enduring legacy. Edinburgh, Scotland's stunning capital, is a city that truly lives its history while embracing the future. Its dramatic landscapes, ancient architecture, and vibrant cultural scene create an atmosphere unlike any other. From the commanding presence of Edinburgh Castle and the historic flow of the Royal Mile to the breathtaking views from Arthur's Seat and the regal elegance of Holyrood Palace, each element contributes to its unique charm. The city's commitment to arts and culture, epitomized by its world-famous festivals, ensures a dynamic and ever-evolving identity. Economically, Edinburgh is a powerhouse within Scotland and the UK, recognized as a leading financial center and a significant hub for tourism, scientific research, and higher education. With over 2.3 million international visitors in 2023, tourism remains a vital industry, contributing significantly to its economy. The city continues to develop, balancing modern progress with the preservation of its invaluable heritage. Edinburgh is not just a place to visit, it is an experience to be savored, offering a profound connection to Scotland's past, a lively engagement with its present, and a promising glimpse into its future. Love this? Like to say, keep going. Red heart, share this message. Let's change lives together. Anti-clockwise arrows. Never miss hope. Subscribe plus ring that bell.